Today I'm going to show you how to use a tripod and how to connect that to your camera. So here's your standard tripod. Normally it comes in folded like this. To open it up, you're going to go ahead and prop these legs up and push that down so it locks into place. You have different levels to your tripod, so you can keep it at this level if you want like a tabletop tripod, or you can raise your tripod legs and lift them up this way, one on each side. And you can go ahead and go to a second level by going into the second leg right here and bringing that down even further. You don't necessarily need to keep the tripods all extended at max capacity. I can go ahead and just have these at partial or bring that down to whatever level I need. And again, you don't have to do all of the legs. So I'm just gonna, for today, have my tripod as a tabletop tripod. Just to show you. You also have another level to raise your tripod if you choose to. You go ahead and loosen this little nut right here, and then you can lift this lever and go ahead and raise your arm, and now your tripod can go even higher. Do not recommend going all the way at the maximum level. As you can see, it goes quite quickly, quite high. You do need to lock this for your neck to be stable, but you can see it's quite flimsy. So you wanna make sure that your neck is just elevated enough to be able to have the height necessary that you need. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up just like this. To turn your tripod to the horizontal position, you need to go ahead and loosen this. This tightens the tripod head. So you want to loosen this, and now you can lift your tripod again, tighten it to keep it nice and flat. If you want your tripod to rotate horizontal or vertical, you're going to go ahead and loosen this nut, and now you can be in a vertical position. You can see this is where my camera would be mounted, pointed in that direction. If I want it horizontally, I can go ahead and put it back down flat. I can even have it angled if I'm on a rock or if I'm on an uneven surface on a hillside. I can even have my tripod angled like this, and you can even use the legs at different angles to create a more stable surface. So it doesn't always have to be perfectly spread out. If you're worried about your tripod being even, there's a little level right here. This green little dot has a little air bubble, and you have the air bubble fitting in the space of that circle. I'm gonna go ahead and move that in closer so you can see that is now level. So that's another method that you can use to try to keep your tripod nice and straight so your horizon line for landscape photography is level. Next, I'm going to show you how to attach your tripod to your camera. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up just a little bit so we can see a little better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unlock this lever right here to the opened position. I'll angle this out so you can see. And now I can go ahead with my fingers and pull this out. So see, this is locked. There's a little ledge right here that locks into the ledge right here. And this is locked in, and this is open. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is take this off, and then you're gonna go ahead and grab your camera, and this gets this is a universal mount, so any SLR, video, or digital SLR can go ahead and get connected to these tripods. And you're just gonna go ahead and put that in the screw right here, and you're gonna carefully lift this little ledge, and you're gonna rotate and turn that finger tight. You don't wanna go excessively tight, but you do want it straight. So if you have it like this at an angle, best to loosen it a little bit and then go back in and tighten. Or if you can tighten it, for example, let's say I was right here and you tighten with your finger, you can go ahead and turn this and rotate this just a little bit, and that will tighten it a little stronger, but then keep this straight. Okay, so now that I have this connected to my tripod, now my tripod mount is gonna then go in like this, I'm gonna make sure that this stays flat because I don't want this little ledge to be sticking up, this little wing. That would inhibit me being able to connect my tripod to my camera. So let's go ahead and move that over so you can see a little bit better. This now can then be connected, going in and locking into place just like this. So now my camera is connected to my tripod.